no, Love just landed on a tree and he's screaming. Oh shit. So Love doesn't want to come down. I'm gonna go up to him. I haven't climbed a tree since I was 12.
Yesterday.
I'm gonna try to fly Love now like 3 times a week. I graduated him level 1. Now he passed level 2. I have also just 1 hour before the sun is gonna set. I hope everything will go fine. Love will do a beautiful flight. I'm gonna also just fly Hope first. Love is gonna watch. Again, this is a new location. Okay guys, now it's Love's turn. Love is out of his harness. You can see he's fully free. This is the hour of truth again. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I don't see any birds. Go away. He was watching us. I don't know if you guys can see that white big bird. Oh, ravens. Come on. Guys, ravens are very curious about us. They're still circling around us right there. You can see the ravens. Love, are you ready to fly? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Wow. Look how beautiful he's flying. How beautiful. Wow, look how beautiful. Now he loops. Wow. Now he loops. Now he's coming back. Oh no, Love just landed on a tree and he's screaming. Oh shit! Love! Come! Love, come! Oh no! But I can see him. I know where he is. He's right there. This is the first time that Love's landed on a tree. Love! I hope that no wild bird will come and chase him away. Love, come! Love! Love! I see him exactly where he is. I know exactly where he is. He was doing so great with his first flight, but then I think he got spooked with a raven. Right there, he's on that tree screaming. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Oh, Hopi. We have to wait for Love. Oh, Hopi wants to get out of the harness and get here. You wanna go get him? You wanna go get him? Guys, you see the blue dot? This is where Love is sitting right now. No, you see the blue dot? That's us. And the red dot, that's the tracking mole. That's Love's location. He's not so far away from us, so I can track him. And that's where he's sitting right now. He's sitting up there. Love! Okay guys, I'm gonna go a little closer. Love, I'm coming! Love, I'm coming to the rescue! I'm coming to the rescue! Coming closer! I'm going closer to him. Ow! Ow, my hair! Hopi, my hair! Ow! I'm gonna go closer. And then we'll just call it a day today. I think we're still on level 2 after today. Ow! Okay, Hopi, you have to come down. My hair hurts. Come. Ow! Go perch. Okay guys, so I'm walking up to Love. So we're a little closer. He didn't come back. I need to go get him now. He's sitting on that big tree, screaming his lungs out, kind of lost, which is not good. I think those ravens kind of spooked him, and he is now a little afraid. Can I see him? Right there, right up there. That's how Hyacinth on a tree looks like. There he is. Love! Right there. That's what it looks like, a hyacinth up on a tree. Come down! Come! Come down! Come on! Come on! Love! Love, come! And look, there's a tree with 1, 2, 3, 4 pigeons right there. We have an audience right there. A little audience. People are filming me. Look at that. This lady is filming me. Go! Good boy! Calm down! Good boy! Come on! Come on! Good! Come on, baby! Come on! Love, come! Come! Come, love! Maybe I should go closer. Love! Hi, Hoopy. So I'm making Love jealous. Hoopy. Good boy. He's moving. Come on. Those things might scare him. Okay guys, the sun is setting. Love doesn't want to come down. I might need to let Hope fly so that Hope gets him down. He doesn't want to come down. And that's a high tree. Very high tree. You want to go fly and get him down? Want to fly and get him down? The sun is about to set, guys. And once it's set, it's dark, and then birds will roost, and then they'll stay in the tree overnight. I don't want to have Love out here overnight. This is now a very scary situation. I'm gonna let Hope fly and get him down. Okay, Hope, go get him. Hope he just took off. He's gonna go and get her Love down. He's cleaning the air. Good boy, Hope. He's flying around Love. Right there. He's trying to get her Love out of the tree. Goodbye, Hope! Get him out! Hoppy! Come on! Goodbye, Hope! Love, come on! Come down! Whee! Goodbye, Hope! Go get him! Go get him! Love, come down! Come down, Love! Good boy, Hoopy. Go get him. Alright, I hope and Love is on the tree. Hoopy, come! Love, come! Okay guys, now I have 2 birds on the tree. Love and Hope, both are on the tree. Hoopy, come! Love, come! Both of you come! Let's go! Come on, let's go! Oh my gosh, this is a disaster. Good boy! Uh-oh. Chase. Come. Hoppy, come. Hoppy, come. He's going to Love. He's trying to get Love. He's trying to get Love also out of the tree. Good boy, Hoppy! Get Love out of the tree. Love doesn't have confidence to come down. If I can get Love down, Hope will come. Hoppy's coming. Hoppy, come! Hoppy, come! He's trying to get hope. He's trying to get love out of the tree. Hoppy! Come on! He's trying to get hope. He's trying to get love out of the tree. Look. Good boy, come on. Come down. Come down, Hoppy. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. So Hope just came back. Love didn't come back. I'm gonna put Hope in his harness. Okay guys, Hope just came back. Love doesn't have confidence. I don't know what to do except pray now and wait for him to have enough confidence to come down off the tree. This is the first time he's sitting on a tree. And Hope tried his best. Did try to get him down, but Love wouldn't move. And I don't want him to sit overnight in the tree. It looks like he wants to roost overnight in the tree. So I'm gonna bring Hope away to the car. And then I'm just gonna try to lure Love down. The sun is already setting. This will get dark really soon. Like in 20 minutes, this whole place will be dark, which sucks. Once it's dark, Love won't come down. Love, come! Okay, I'm just gonna walk away. Hope he will. Love! Hope that he's gonna come down. Ow, not my ears, baby. Shit. I wasn't expecting that. Shit. I'm gonna put Hope away. He's still not moving away from that branch. He's like stubborn sitting on that branch. Okay, I might need to climb a tree today. Ah, birds. Love, come. Okay, I'm gonna put Hope. Oh, he's screaming now. I'm gonna put now Hope in the car. You can still see Love. Love, come! Oh, please let Love come down from the tree before night breaks in. I'm just gonna wait. Love, come! Love, come! Not gonna let my Hyacinth overnight outside. It's a Hyacinth. It's a $15,000 bird, guys. He's not only just $15,000 worth, but he's also my baby. I raised him since he was 4 months old. He's my baby. Later. Okay guys, so Hope is in the car. Gonna go get now Love. Lord, please let him come down. Oh my gosh, this is exhausting.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're mine.
But they don't do nothing to you?
No, they won't do anything. I hope so. Love, come on. Love, come on. He's so high up. Hi.
Hello.
Love. Hey, baby, come down. Baby, come down. Come down. Good boy, come on. Come down, baby. Come down. Wait, cars are coming. Love. Wanna fly down to mommy? Come down. Come, baby. Good. Good boy. Come down. Come down. Okay, so Love doesn't want to come down. I'm gonna go up to him and I'm gonna climb this tree, I think. The tree looks pretty easy to climb. Dude, I haven't climbed a tree since I was 12. This will be hard. Ugh. Love, come down. Baby, you wanna come down? So this is the tree that I have to climb up to him. He's way up there. Come down. Okay guys, this is a race with the time. Once it's dark, it's hard to see. And then I have to camp here overnight, and I don't want to camp here out overnight. I need to go up as soon as possible and get him down. He doesn't look like he wants to fly off. you fire department?
He is.
Hi. Did somebody call you because of my bird?
Someone said they saw you climbing the tree and they're worried about you.
Oh yeah, I just came down because my bird was up in the tree and my bird just flew away to another tree.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't climb the trees
Well,
anymore.
thank you for.
No problem.
It was so close. He was so close. I was like just like 3 feet away from him and he didn't want to come back. This is a $15,000 bird. It's a Hyacinth macaw.
I'm not sure if that is. How high is it?
He is right now not in this tree. He's in the big second pine right up there.
Yeah, I don't think there's anything we can do.
No, I'm gonna let him sleep outside and come back in the morning.
He'll come back?
I hope so. I have a GPS on him so I can track him down tomorrow morning. But I just didn't want him to spend the night outside because one, I don't want anybody stealing him. Two, I don't want any like wild animal like hawks or like bird of prey catch him and kill him. Yeah, so this is the first time he's ever outside in his whole life. He's 1.5 years old.
Okay. Well, I think this gentleman here is trying to leave, so I'm going to back up.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Bye. I'll just come back tomorrow morning and I will
I just don't want you to fall. How high are you in the tree?
like almost to the top, like barely high, but I won't climb trees anymore, I promise.
Okay, this is dark. We don't want you to fall.
Yeah, it was scary. I've never climbed a tree since I was 12, you know. But
Okay,
I'll get him back. I'm gonna get him back tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye. Good night. Alright guys, somebody called the fire department. I was climbing a tree for like an hour trying to get Love off the tree. Love was so close. He was just like probably 3 feet away from me at the edge of the branch. And I kind of took another stick and tried to get him down and he spooked and he flew now off to another tree. Which means he's gonna stay the night outside. Which means he's gonna freeze his butt off. Which means he won't get any food tonight, which means he'll be very hungry in the morning. I'm gonna wake up very early in the morning at 4 a.m., come out here and get him down. He's gonna be screaming. Oh. Okay guys, so it's right now 7 p.m. It's totally dark. It was dark already 1.5 hours ago where Love flew on a tree 2 hours ago. And he didn't want to come down. So right now, Love is going to spend the night outside for the very first time ever. I try everything to get him back. I also climbed a tree. I was just 3 feet away from him, basically like 2 meters away from him. And he didn't come over to me. That means he was really afraid and he got really spooked from these ravens. Those ravens spooked him that he just flew on that tree. Which sucks because now I need to like wait for tomorrow, and then tomorrow first thing early in the morning I'm gonna come out here and then get him down. He must be really hungry. He won't have dinner tonight, and I will be up here first thing in the morning once the sun rises, which will be like around 4:35. I won't be sleeping at night tonight because I'm just worried about Love. He got spooked, flew on the tree and didn't want to come down anymore. So that's it. And I climbed up a tree for like an hour trying to get Love down, and somebody called the fire department because they was worried about me falling off the tree, and I was worrying about Love not coming back. Okay, so that's it. I'm super tired. I have to go home, feed my birds, and I'll be up here first thing in the morning. But Love is gonna freeze his butt off. Like, this is the first time it will get really cold, and I just hope that he will be in the same tree. He has a GPS on, it's 100%, so I will know where he is, and I hope that no raven or anything will chase him away off the tree. This is the risk of free flying, guys. Risk of free flying. Okay, go check out my other videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.